Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe something that you did with someone/a group of people. You should say what it was, who you did it with, how long it took you to do this, and explain why you did it together. Putting together a cultural event at my institution is one thing I accomplished with a group of people that stands out. Along with 10 other students from various departments, I was a member of the organizing team for our annual youth festival. We were in charge of organizing and running the whole event, which featured dancing competitions, art exhibits, musical performances, and even some entertaining activities. About a month before the event, we began the preparations, which included frequent meetings, brainstorming sessions, and responsibility distribution. While some of us managed the stage and sound equipment, others worked on sponsorships and publicity, while yet others were in charge of registration and performance coordination. On the day of the event, I was directly responsible for anchoring and controlling the program's flow. We worked jointly because the event was too big for one or two persons to manage things on their own. Additionally, each of us had unique abilities, some excelled at communication, some at handling logistics, and yet others at creativity and design. In addition to making the procedure go more smoothly, teamwork also made it less stressful and more pleasurable. Every time someone encountered a challenge, we helped one another. Including the final day and the rehearsal day, the event took 2 full days to execute and nearly a whole month to arrange. Although exhausting, the experience was incredibly rewarding. I gained a great deal of knowledge about leadership, teamwork, communication, and time management. The greatest aspect was the gratitude we got from our instructors and other students following the event's successful completion. To sum up, this was a genuinely unforgettable group experience. We all became closer friends as a result, gained practical organizational experience, and learned the value of cooperating to achieve a common objective. I still feel proud and happy when I think back on those times. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.